Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 128 summary. In this first clip, we can see a deadly Ukrainian surprise attack as these Ukrainian special forces have made their way behind the lines and are now attacking the Russians where they least expect it. You can see them moving through the tree line here and setting up for the ambush. We can now see them continuing to set on out forward to try and find the Russians. We can now see them running forward and attacking the Russians with some very fast speed. The Russians probably didn't even know what was coming for them, but now I don't think they'll have time to react to it all too well. We can now see the cars riddled with bullet holes from these Special Forces units, and two more cars converging on that very area, and we're about to see soldiers get out of these cars. I'm not sure if these are the Ukrainian Special Forces clearing up and mopping up everything that's left, but an incredible display by the Ukrainian Special Forces and their ability to attack the Russians where they least expect it. In this clip, we see a toss barrage on a chemical plant in Lysychansk. In this next clip, we see a firefight from the Ukrainian perspective in the Donbass. We're not exactly sure where in the Donbass this firefight occurred, and it seemed to be somewhat moderate in terms of the actual amount of fire. We can see another firefight that occurred in the Donbass today as well. The Ukrainians conducted another artillery attack on Russian logistics, once again hindering the Russians' ability to continue offensives throughout most of the country. Soldiers march on their stomach, as Napoleon Bonaparte once said, and in this instance we can see that they're not going to be eating too much from here forward. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.